Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make moss stitch. It's a beautiful stitch that you can make many different things out of. I'm at the minute making a blanket out of it. It's very simple but looks lovely. I'm going to use this DK wool. It's a cream colour to show you how to do it with a 4mm hook, and obviously you'd need a darning needle and scissors for the rest of this project. For this particular project I am only going to make a short swatch for you so that you can see how to do it, but you can make it as big or as small as you want. Your chain stitch needs to be in multiples of 2. That's the only thing that you need to do to be able to do this, but it can be as big as you want. I'm going to make a small swatch of 16. So to begin with, to make slip stitch, you put the wool across your hand, loop it, cross it at the front, take your hook, put it through that loop, wool over there and pull it through that loop and tighten it up, and that's your slip stitch. To make your first chain, you put your wool around your hook and pull it through that loop on your hook, and that is one chain. I use my finger and thumb to hold on to this part here to keep the tension, and as I make more chain stitch I move it up the project. So to make your second one, put the wool around your hook and pull it through that loop, wool round, pull through the loop, wool round and pull it through that loop. Moving that thumb and finger up as you do it helps to keep that tension. So we've made 4 chain, so we need to make another 12 for this particular project. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And if we want to count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and 4 more. 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now to start this project, we're going to make a UK double crochet, US single crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. We don't count the one on our hook, so it's 1, 2, 3, and that's the 4th one. So put your hook in through there, roll over and pull up that loop, giving you 2 loops on your hook. Go around and pull through both. We're then going to make a single chain. We're going to skip a chain and work into the next one with another UK double, US single. So hook through, roll over, 2 loops, roll over, pull through 2 and a single chain, and we're just repeating that the whole way across, so skipping a stitch and work into that. 2 loops, pull through, single chain, skip and into the next. 1 chain, skip and into the next, and 1 chain, skip into the next, single chain, skip and into the last one to make your final stitch. Now we finish that first row, we will then do 2 chain, 1, 2 and turn our work. Now to start the next row, we work into the hole here between where the chain stitches is. So in each of them we will be working in between in there. And this row will just be repeated for the rest of your work, and for as long as you want to make your particular project. So we do a UK double, US single into there and pull through 2. 1 chain, so you're missing out the stitch there, and working into the next hole where that chain was. And again, it's just that UK double, US single the whole way across with a single chain in between. So make your stitch in the hole, one chain into the next hole there where the last chain was, and one chain, and into the next, and single chain, one stitch, single chain, and into that last hole right there, which is where actually your chain stitch and your beginning chain stitch was, is where you're working into. Make sure you do work into that right there where you had your 3 chain at the beginning. So pull up that loop, pull through both, and then 2 chain, 1, 2, and turn our work. And it is literally the same the whole way along. So into that hole that's right there, your first hole, and pull through both, 1 chain into the next hole right there, and 1 chain into the next hole, pull through 2, and a single chain. And it's just always working into where that 1 chain was on the previous row, putting your stitches in. So you're doing that UK double, US single into each of those, followed by a 1 chain into the next hole, and do your next stitch and a 1 chain into the next hole and a 1 chain, making sure you always do that last one in the, and right there, followed by the 2 chain, and turning your work ready to start the next. It's as simple as that. Really nice, really easy, really effective, and you just continue to work those rows for as long as you want. Thank you for watching, and I'll bring you another stitch in a couple of weeks' time.